I'm Hubert Centers. Welcome to Absolute Wealth's weekly edition of Centers Strategies. Let's take a look at this week's strategy. In this week's strategy, let's take a look at crude oil. So obviously, crude oil has been headed south lately. So in other words, it's been going lower. And it's probably going to go down and test 75. But it's not going to go from 110 to 75 in one straight path, straight down, right? So what are we going to take a look at? So everybody and their brother thinks that crude oil is going to continue to drop. And that's fine and all. But one thing that you can do here on minor support that we have here in crude, and you can see there's a little support from all the way from about 76.92 up into the area of 81. So that gives us a print of 81.45. That's pretty good there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a counter trend trade in crude oil. And you can see here that we're down 1, 2, 3, 4 days. The fifth day we're bouncing and we're getting a close above the high of the low bar. So the high of this low bar is 84.38. And I'm going to put this on a line so you can see it. So that would be considered the high. So 84.38. So I need another 8 cents, but you get the gist of the ideal here. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in. And now that we get a close above that, now we'll enter long and we will place our stop loss slightly below this line here. Now, where's our target going to come from? We're going to draw our Fibonacci line from the beginning of this line all the way to this line, which will then project us a 50% area for an ambush zone for a long target. So let's do that now. So what we're going to do is we're going to scrunch up the chart just a little bit tighter so we can see it. And we're going to use the Fibonacci tool. We're going to go from this high to that low, and then this is a counter trend trade. So in other words, we are going to be targeting 86.82 to 88.12. Our initial entry would be 84.30. Our potential stop loss would be slightly lower than 81.29. Now you're sitting here going, that don't look like that good of a trade. So we're in at 84. We're going to risk down to 81. We're risking 3 points to potentially make 2. You know, risking 3 to make 2 doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And I would agree with you. So what you would do is you would sell half of your position, and as soon as you sell half of your position up here, I want you to immediately move your stop from this point to break even, and then see if it can continue slightly higher, maybe even into the 88, 89, or even 90 to 92 area before it drops again and goes to 75. And that is the play. Counter trend trade in crude oil off of the high of this low bar and off of a 5-day sell-off. We need a little dead cat bounce in crude. Good luck, hope it helps. I'll see you in the next video.